Hi, I'm Oliver with the Gerenga, and I'm excited because I'm on the way to ANCA Sheet Metal Solutions to test this tooling today. So it is supposed to bend a 1 mm aluminium sheet metal, and yeah, let's try it out. Before we go to the testing, let me take you quickly into the control center for our Markforged printers, Eiger. So here you can see how this part is designed, the die here in this case. So we have chosen to use the fiber pattern stripes. We have 8 stripes in total, and the same we have done for the punch as well. And then another nice feature is the simulation. So we can simulate different load cases. We didn't have a load case, so we have made an assumption of 100 kilograms force here, and of course on the top we have the anchors. So we allowed a theoretical deflection of 0.1 millimeter, and yeah, we are a bit above, have a safety factor of 2.18. I think for initial test this is good enough. And now let's go to the testing.
Recently, ANCA Sheet Metal Solutions had an urgent customer order for this workpiece here and didn't have the tooling available, so they bent this part in 7 steps, which took about 2 minutes. And now you can see with the customized tooling it is much faster. Compared to traditional or conventional tooling, you can save lots of cost and delivery time, and in the end you save also the time for the process itself. So you can see 15 pieces we have bent overall and how the tooling looks like after. If this has sparked your interest and you would like to know more, please feel free to contact us. Here are our contact details.